Hello everyone, today we're continuing our series on Astropalmistry and looking at the zodiac sign of Virgo. Now, in order to understand Virgo, we've got to look at two things. Firstly, where its lines are at, and also the general meaning of Virgo itself. So we'll start off on the general meaning of it and then look at where its lines are on your hand. So the starting point to understand Virgo is to look at the fact that it's the sixth house of the zodiac, and it's ruled by the earth element. Now, the earth element's a practical sign, and so everything dealing with Virgo is all geared towards practicality. But the other thing to look at with Virgo is also its meaning. See, Virgo means virgin, and the sixth house in astrology generally is all about debt, diseases, and that kind of thing. So if you think about it, virginity is essentially a debt. It's a debt you carry on into marriage. It's an obligation, if you will. And that says something about ancient Indian thought on what virginity was for women here. But it's not like sexuality generally. That's not what Virgo's about. As I said, it's all about practicality. So if we compare Virgo with the other earth sign that we talked about before, Taurus, well, Taurus was ruled by Venus. And Venus is actually about love and sexuality, whereas Virgo's ruled by Mercury. And Mercury is all about thought. So Virgo energy is about thought. It's about observing the world around you, critical thought. It's about practical analysis, and it's also about honesty as well. So if you want to see how honest someone is, look at where the lines for Virgo are on a person's hand and see if there's good ones or bad ones there. Now, the actual space for Virgo on your hand is, I want you to look at the bottom phalange of your ring finger. That whole area there represents the 30 degrees of Virgo. And vertical lines here are a sign of auspicious energy in Virgo. Horizontal lines are inauspicious energy in Virgo. Now, like all the other phalanges that we've talked about in regards to astropalmistry, you can divide the Virgo space up into 30 degrees. You can do so by marking the top phalange there between the cusp where Leo turns into Virgo is 0 degrees. The very bottom over here is 30 degrees, and you can subdivide that, as I said. So we can see the vertical lines over here at 5 degrees Virgo. So that means whenever a planet in the night sky travels over 5 degrees of Virgo, then something good's going to be happening to this person here. And remember, I said before that you can see how honest someone is just by looking at their Virgo energy. Well, this person, as you can see with all these vertical lines, is very honest. Now, if you had lots of horizontal lines, then he'd be a dishonest person, but that's not what this guy's about. We can see some weaker horizontal lines here though, at 12 degrees, 18 degrees, and also 25 degrees Virgo. So again, whenever a planet goes over these spaces, something bad's going to happen to this person. But that bad event isn't going to be anywhere near as how good the vertical lines are here. So there's going to be more good than bad happening whenever a planet transits over Virgo for this person. Right guys, that is Virgo in astropalmistry. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks a lot.